Hi, this is Johnny. I wanted to fix my Galaga, which play Galaga and Galaga 88. And one thing I was upset about is that the screen on this one is not good. So if I was to tilt it sideways like this, you can see the color have changed so bad. Okay, and it's not acceptable. Now, if you turn this way, it's fine. The color is still fine on the right side, but yeah, see. But if you turn it to the left side, I'm gonna stand over here so we'll cover the glare. The color changed very bad, and if you was to play the game, this is not going up and down, it's going left and right, because the Galaga game doesn't go up and down. So they should have put this one left and right, but to do this you have to do left and right, which is kind of dumb because if this game only go left and right, you might as well put this one left and right like you do on a Ninja Turtle, but they didn't do it that way. So if you was to play this game, it has so much glare, it's just not fun at all. So if I was to record this on the side vision like this, see how color is so bad? So just to give you the idea how bad this is, unless you look straight at it. So I'm gonna switch this screen with that screen, because that one I don't need. When you move it over, it's going to, this part, the back side is gonna be facing down. So that'll be perfect, because that one, Ninja Turtle one, the screen is fine, and so I'm not gonna look down to play the game. So I'm gonna swap this one with this one, and to fix my Galaga. And I wish they had fixed it, but I mean, most of the game that they came out was all vertical. They didn't have hardly any horizontal game. But all the vertical game is bad because of screen. So I'm gonna switch this one with this one, and then that will save my Galaga, and I could enjoying the Galaga 88 and Galaga without have mod it to a Raspberry Pi. But this one, I believe I will mod it to Raspberry Pi because it's the same kind of problem the other one had. I want to see if I can still use the headphone jack and the USB jack, and that would be great. And then still able to use the power and the volume control when I switch it to Raspberry Pi. So that's one of the game plan I'm planning to do. I don't know when I'll do the video on that, but that's one of the stuff that I want to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to take this apart and fast forward and get it done. All right. Okay, both of them swap, as you can see during the video. It has been swapped. Okay, now we are going to test the Galaga on the side screen. As you can see, the screen is fine. There's no color changes. And same with this side. Okay, so this screen is now good. Okay, so let me move this and let me try to block the glare so you could see when you go sideways now. This game is good now. I don't have issue. Let me stand up. I don't have an issue with the screen anymore. Because I'm using the Ninja Turtle screen. Now let's go look at Ninja Turtle. Does that affect anything on this one? So if I look up, the screen is still good. Color still to stay the same. Let's go to the right. Still don't have issue. And let's go to, the left, and let's go to the right. No issue. The only issue now is if you was to go down, but we're not gonna play the game anything lower than this. See, right now if you go this low, you see the color is bad. See that? But we're not gonna play like that. We normally play like this. Okay, like this or higher. Okay. So yes, by swapping it, I was able to enjoy both the second and third generation video game without too much of loss. Okay, so I'm gonna play the game this way, and if I go any lower, it's still good. The only time is you're not gonna play underneath the joystick. That's the part, see the color change. And the reason the color change is because of the old generation 2 screen. Okay, so by swapping over, I'm not creating any kind of a problem for my Ninja Turtle. I didn't lose anything that I cannot bear. So the right and left is good, because remember, Galaga, the up and down was good. The only thing was from the right and left. But since Ninja Turtle is being moved over now, I don't have that. Let me stay in front of this one so you can see. We'll go to the left. I'm not creating the loss. The left problem is no longer there anymore. Move to the right. And up from top, playing like this, and down, no issue. Okay, so yes, so by buying the Ninja Turtle, even though it costs $180, I'm able to fix my Galaga and not having that issue. Alright, hopefully this helped you guys to make that switch, because it's worth it. It doesn't take that long. As you can see, just move the controller out of the way so you can move the front panel. Move the joystick out, then you can move the front panel, and then just unplug the video card cable. That's it. And then just take the tape. Make sure you heat up the tape with a blow dryer, so when you peel, it won't like break apart. Then you have to go get another I keep on calling it duct tape. It's not duct tape, it's electronic tape. The black one that I had last time bring is electronic tape. Then yet, if you want to replace it, you can replace it with electronic tape, because those tape doesn't dry out, so those are good to use if you want to replace it. All right, hopefully this helped. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later.